Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, My Boyzz AC. Tips to get better cooling from your AC. Today I am going to tell some tips. In some cities, because it's summer, the climate is so hot, they put orange alert. We will sweat if we walk one step. That's how hot it is. Even in my city, it's so hot. I even stuttered because of the heat. So if you mind that if I stutter in this video, let's start. ACs have lots of modes. For example, cool mode, heat mode, dry mode, and fan mode. Again more. We should put on cool mode because it will give more cooling during the summertime. If we put on dry or other modes, it will be hot. And we will sweat even if we don't work. So we should put it on cool mode. Block filters can affect the cooling efficiency. Make sure that the AC filters are clean. It is to be cleaned 2 weeks once. There should be no escape for air from the room. It is advisable to keep the room closed properly. Also avoid opening and closing the doors frequently. Direct sunlight affects AC cooling. If your room is directly exposed to sunlight, then it can be a little tricky for the AC to cool the room down. Make sure to drape the curtains on the windows to avoid direct sunlight. The room size matters, and so does the AC capacity. If the room is bigger than the AC capacity, cooling will be low. So now on, follow these tips for more cooling, mainly in the summer season. We should plant more plants near our house to reduce the usage of our AC. Natural air is healthier and good for living things, and is good for the environment. See you in the next video, friends. Keep smiling. Bye.